Incoming devices, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. The main reason why the customer is bringing it in, though, is the rear glass of the device does appear to be cracked all along the edges. Continue further assessing the device. Taking a look at the front display, it does look like there are no major cracks, just a few deep scratches on the screen, nothing too major. Take a look at the bottom of the device. It does look like the headphone jack is round and the charging port is sitting snug for incoming charge current of 1.70 amperes. The power button, volume button, Bixby button, all give smooth feedback. It's at 64% and the Verizon LTE device. We'll go and check the camera.
So simple, these days the repair process gets more and more complex.
Rear camera
because it
clear.
gets so complex, we like to document each stage so that
Front camera is clear. Go and take a look at the parts costing. What's your